Come on, buddy.
Go on, Dad.
Yay! All right.
Now
Okay, go with Sebas. Go to Sebastian. Go. Go to
Ready?
Sebastian. Oh.
Oh, goodness.
Good try.
No, that was not.
Try again. Let's try again.
Come on, Tim. But Seb, you gotta let him go quicker. There you
Yes.
go.
Good job.
Go to Sebastian. Can you go to Sebastian? Go to Sebastian, Theo.
Good job.
Go. Go to Sebastian. Sebastian. Go to Sebastian. Good
Good job.
Now, Seb, just let him go. Don't extend your arms. Don't reach forward.
He's walking the other way.
He is tired.
All right, come on.
Frank and Drunky. Hi, Frank and Drunky.
Yay, Mateo. Hi, buddy. You're right.
Hi, Dale.
Oh,
Go to Sebas. Go Sebas.
Oh my
Sebas.
gosh.
Sebas.
wow.
He's tired.
He's like, I'm done. I'm drunk. I'm passing now right here.
I think he is. He's worn out.
He says. He's like.
Silly. Yay! Say bye-bye, T. Bye-bye. Yay.
Bye bye.
Oh, he wants patty cakes, bakers, man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it.
Roll it. Mark it with the B.
Put
Put
it
it
in
in
the
the
oven
oven for Mateo and me.
Yay!
So sweet.
He's making up for